Moving up to barrels. Isaac, move back through the locker. Double check we have that. Far back side. Got one. Okay, move up.
What?
I'm moving up. On your right, Isaac.
The grenade scared me. It's right next to me. Did it go off?
Don't see anything yet.
We got friends today. We got the good.
Roger that.
What do you guys got?
Did you say Papa 01 on helmet or on vest?
Cover me. I'm moving to this wedge space.
All right, where do you want to shoot at?
Whatever there's people. Is that one?
Roger that.
Hold on, I'm gonna keep going.
Go for it. One right at the very back of the L.
Hey, right there, ACU. Shoot fire at that corner, right in the front. Just look right here, close the box, start shooting at it. 3, 2, 1. Move left, move left. Move left. Camera, take like 5 seconds turn.
We're all in Hell's Highway, over. Hit. Somebody move up. Yeah. Far back side, watch it. Okay, can you cover me to the barrels? I think I'm hit. I'm gonna call it. Hit. Okay, give me some covering fire. Behind you. Moving. Need to reload. Can you make it to that little nook over there? Okay, I'm gonna get our backs.
All right, hey. Front that left window. On three. The left window. It's the only window there is. That door right there. On three. 1, 2, 3.
Hit.